the devil and God are meant to be these opposing forces that exist outside of each other, as if it wasn't the same God that made the night as that made the day. And it's that fragmentation, it's that internal schism, it's that war within that reflects without. And instead, to understand and reconcile these things is all part of the unified whole of nature, of the progression and cyclical experience that we have of life, of the order of operations mathematically that the realm builds and grows and generates out of. Then it doesn't matter which set of symbols or allegories that you prefer or would like to use to teach others the wonders and the mysteries of our realm. Then it doesn't matter so much, because you're leaving everybody the option, and yourself the option of, being wrong and being corrected and expanding and going further.